Today's recipe is a take on a lemon ricotta cake. I'm going to go ahead and put the link to the recipe in the info for you. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to make a lemon ricotta cake, and I'm starting off with my dry ingredients. It's 1 cup and 1/3 of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then in my mixer I'm going to add butter, sugar, and some lemon zest. So about 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of softened butter, 2.5 tablespoons of lemon zest. I used Meyer lemons for mine. And you're gonna go ahead and cream that up. And with this, I added about 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I also added in, for some extra flavor, rose extract, but you can use vanilla extract. This is the ricotta cheese, and I am adding 1.5 cups of ricotta cheese. This makes this cake a little bit more dense than what you're used to, but think of it like a pound cake. I used rose extract here. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon. No more than that, because it will taste like perfume. Alright, and you're just going to let that go and add in your eggs one at a time. And you'll add 3 eggs in there. Now I'm going to add in my dry ingredients. And I have sifted those. I would recommend doing it because it's going to add a lighter texture. And we're just gonna let that go until it gets nice and incorporated and creamy, and it actually looks like cake batter. Almost there, pretty much. And this time you'll have your oven preheated to 350 and a 9-inch cake pan already sprayed down or buttered, however you want to take care of making it easier to get the cake out when it's baked. I used a baking spray, and we're just going to go ahead and fill our baking tin or cake pan rather with batter. And I'm going to make a mess here. Yep. I like to smooth mine down a little bit because it can tend to bake uneven if you don't. So I'm just smoothing it out a little bit. And then you're going to pop it in the oven for about 50 minutes. This is it all baked off. As soon as it cools a little bit, I would say after 10 minutes, you're going to want to put a glaze on it. I did lemon juice and powdered sugar. And I am decorating with gold leaf. And then I didn't have any dried rosebuds, which would be really pretty on this cake, but you can do whatever kind of flower you want. I'm using blue cornflowers here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more recipes and more fun stuff to come.